Good morning, dear students. As we have started the accidental tourist, and we are talking about the problems what Bill Bryson got during his flying journeys. Whenever he was traveling, most of the time he was using the flying mode, and every time he is meeting one or the other problem. We have already covered first time when he was going to England with his family. His jeep fell down, the bag's jeep opened, all the content came out. Another, he poured water on the next sitting beautiful lady. Then he was jammed in between the two chairs. And when now in this another incident is described where he was talking with a lady around 20 minutes, and while he was talking, a pen was inside his mouth and entire his face was covered with blue color ink which was issuing from the pen. So let's start from some more incidents whatever he found during his travel. So here we begin. So you will understand, I trust, when I tell you how much I ache to be saved. I would love just once in my life to rise from a dinner table without looking as if I have just experienced an extremely localized seismic event, get in a car and close the door without leaving 14 inches of coat outside, wearing light-colored trousers without discovering at the end of the day that I have at various times sat on chewing gum, ice cream, cup syrup and motor oil. But it is not to be. See, his problem never ended on travel journeys. But whenever he was going, see, it was very difficult for him to complete a dinner table, to stand up from a dinner table without doing any mishappenings. Every time one or the other things fell down, or when he was going in a car and closing the door, most of the time 14 inches of his coat remains outside and he closed the door. Whenever he was selecting to wear light colored dress, a trouser, so at the end of the day he discovered that most of the time he sat on chewing gum, ice cream, cup syrup, motor oil. So this one or the other mishap are very common, used to taste with him. Now on planes, when the food is delivered, my wife says, take the lids off the food for daddy, or put your hoods up, children. Now each and everyone had decided that to arrange him during the journeys was very difficult. So his wife used to tell to the children that please take care of your father's food. Please open the lid yourself. Take off the daddy's food. Take lid off the food of your daddy's. Take out the cover of your daddy's food, or cover your face with hood. Otherwise, your daddy is going to fell the things each and everywhere. Daddy about to cut his meat. Of course, this is only when I am flying with my family. He says, yes, of course, all these things happens whenever I am going to fly with my family. Every time they are taking more precautions because they knew that I cannot do this. When I am on my own, I don't eat, drink or lean over to tie my shoelaces and never put a pen anywhere near my mouth. I just sit very, very quietly, sometimes on my hands to keep them from flying out unexpectedly and causing liquid mischief. Now, he said that whenever he was going alone, he never ate anything, he never talked with anyone, he never keep pen into his mouth, he never bent down to tie his shoelace, because all the other general people were capable to do all these things very easily. But it was very difficult for him to arrange certain things. That is why he mostly avoid all these things. It's not much fun, but it does at least cut down on the laundry bills. Though traveling like this without eating, without talking, without doing anything was not at all interesting. but at least his laundry bill is less in such case, because it was very difficult for him to manage things. I never did get my frequent flyer miles. By the way, I never do. See, when you are continuously using the flying tickets, so you get some cards discount, but he said, I never do this. I couldn't find the card in time. This has become a real frustration for me. Everyone I know, everyone is forever flying off to Bali first class with their air miles. He said he was unable to get that free miles because most of his friends were getting to go Bali with good air miles because of the free tickets, free discount they got, but it was very difficult for him to get any such discounts. Why? The reasons he has given some, he never get his card, and it was a very frustrating for thing. I never get to collect anything. I must fly 10,000 miles a year, yet I have accumulated only about 212 air miles divided between 23 airlines. Though he traveled through long distance through air miles, but he was not getting the benefits because of so many reasons. This is now in this paragraph, the reasons are given why he never get free miles. This is because either I forget to ask for the air miles when I check in, or I remember to ask for them but the airline then manage not to record them, or the check-in clerk informs me that I am not entitled to them. He said because of many reasons he was unable to get it, because many of the time he forgot to ask them. Some of the time he asked, but the airline people anyhow was not ready to give him. He told about some incident in January. What happened? In January, on a flight to Australia, a flight for which I was going to get about a zillion air miles, the clerk shook his head when I presented my card and told me I was not entitled to any. Why? The ticket is in the name of B. Bryson and the card is in the name of W. Bryson. Once he asked at the right time, he showed his ticket, but he was denied to get the air miles. The reason he was told that the card was in the name of W. Bryson and the ticket was taken in the name of B. Bryson, and it was unable for them to give these two cards to the same person. They understood B. Bryson and W. Brysons are two different people. I explained to her the close and vulnerable relationship between Bill and William, but she couldn't have it. He tried to explain her, the person who was there, the clerk, that B. Bryson, W. Bryson, William and Bill is same person, he himself, but they were unable to understand it. So I didn't get my air miles, and I won't be flying to Bali first class just yet. Perhaps just as well. Really, I could never go that long without eating. He said, but I could never get such air miles, and it is so, he just quoted that he was unable to go to Bali as his other friends were doing it because it was not easy for him to get those free air miles, and the reasons are various. So dear students, in this lesson you had seen how Bill Bryson's this title is absolutely justifying the accidental tourist, because Bill Bryson always found one or the other accidents wherever he was traveling. Sometimes this happened to him, sometimes some other things happened to him, and he was unable to enjoy the air travels. Not only he, but his family also suffered the same thing. That is why the title of the story is absolutely justified. Now we will do certain question answers. So for you, today's question you have to do for your work is, what happens when the zip on his carry-on bag gives away? I repeat the question. This question answer you all have to write down today. What happens when the zip on his carry-on bag gives away? And the second question also you will do. Why is his finger bleeding? What is his wife's reaction? So dear student, I hope you followed and you will complete your homework as well.